So much of work and effort and exercise has gone into an issue like this.
Meghalaya Chief Minister Conrad Sangma exchanges border reports with Assam Minister Biju Hazarika, who is also the chairman of Assam's Regional Committee, yesterday at the main secretariat in Shillong. Speaking to the media, Conrad Sangma informed that the Regional Committee of Kamrup and West Khasi Hills, led by Meghalaya Minister Conrad, will hold discussion in Guwahati today.
We had a detailed meeting with the Honorable Deputy Chief Minister of Meghalaya, Mr. and Mr. Biju Hazarika, who is the Honorable Minister and the Chairman of the committee from Assam, Regional Committee. And we had a detailed discussion and presentation and exchange of the reports that were made by both the committees. And now Assam government has the report made by Meghalaya government and vice versa. And we have gone through it. Again, detailed discussion was also held. And I must say it was a very, very positive discussion. And now Assam government has the report made by Meghalaya government and vice versa. And we have gone through it. Again, detailed discussion was also held. And I must say it was a very, very positive discussion. I will not be able to give you the details of that yet because we will be meeting at the Chief Minister's level again, and that's when we will be coming up with the final outcome and final decisions, which I hope will be within the next few weeks. We should be able to meet and finalize on the reports that are given and take final decision, at least for the first phase. So those meetings, that meeting took place today. And as I mentioned, it was a positive meeting, and we've seen the reports. Tomorrow, the committees of Kamrup and West Khasi Hills will again be meeting. This meeting will be held in Guwahati. So the Honorable Minister, Mr. Conrad, will be going to Guwahati tomorrow to meet up with his counterpart, Mr. Conrad, and they will be discussing and taking discussions forward for that sector also. I think what is most important to note is that maybe this is the first time that so much of work and effort and exercise has gone into an issue like this. As I said, the ministers and the regional committees have visited each and every village themselves, spoken to the people, spent hours and hours traveling. This has never happened before. What I'm trying to say is that we are very committed to finding a solution to this. Both the governments are very committed to it. Putting a time frame on it is something that obviously pushes us. We do it because it pushes us to ensure that we don't take it easy. We put the timelines. Sometimes we can make it, sometimes we can't. That's the nature of putting tasks. But the point is that we cannot just simply rush into things and complete a task just because we've set ourselves the date. We try to finish things before Christmas. We realize that some areas were working out, some areas we needed to talk more. So we waited, and we discussed it today. We are discussing tomorrow again, and maybe in a few days' time again the Jayante Hills Committee will meet, and again the Chief Ministers will meet. So it's a continuous process, but I'm very hopeful that we are moving towards some sort of solution, at least in the first phase of the 6 areas that we have. For me, the way I see it is that we need to figure out an amicable solution which is going to be acceptable to all. So it cannot be one-sided. That's the whole point. So therefore, there has to be somewhere where we discuss, we realize that there are areas, but whatever is right has to be done. Whatever is proper to be done has to be done. Whatever is important to a state or to the people, and we can't compromise on that, obviously we should not compromise. So there are many factors that will go into it. But I maintain that negotiations and discussions like these, the conversations that we're having, meetings we're having, has to be on a very broad-minded basis, and we have to see how to find a solution to it. And that's the reason why we have shifted the discussion only from pure historic facts to many other facts like people's will, contiguity of the land, administrative convenience, ethnicity. So these aspects are now added to the entire scope discussion. And so we are hopeful that we'll be able to find the best and the most amicable solution that will suit everyone.